What I've learned about us as South Africans is that we'll always relate when there's umjolo involved. And there is an umjolo that stresses the whole country, it's like this triangle from Inimba. And I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you ain't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Did you guys think these are twins? Well, you got it all wrong. This is Zweleka and Ntuleka, who are just cousins. And you're probably wondering, Muti, how did we get here? Well, the story is very funny, and I think we can all agree that Inimba is doing wonders recently. So I posted a video a few days back reporting on Ntuleka finding out about Hlatse and Zweleka. And if you don't know, well, let me give you a brief background. So Ntuleka found out that Hlatse has been cheating on her all this time with Zweleka, who's also Hlatse's wife. Confusing, right? Yeah, sure. So Ntuleka went missing after finding out, and when she came back, the family meeting was called where the husband Hlatse decided that he's going to dump Ntuleka and choose Zweleka, which was very sad to watch. I mean, I don't have any sad Mjolo story, but this was too much. In fact, I saw even on Twitter and Facebook that people really enjoyed the scene, and this could mean only one thing, and that would be the fact that Zenani Mfenyana is mastering her role here on this show. I mean, we've all seen her in action, from when she was playing Nobuntu on Generations to when she was on The Queen. I mean, she has always put on her A game, but this one is different. It's like she's showing what, yes, I'm very good at this, but you guys have been underestimating me all this time. Now, look at my capabilities. So, I just hope that they won't run out of ideas for her character on this show. Now, my highlight of the past week's episode is when she changed her looking to look like Zweleka. So after her husband chose Zweleka, she decided that, no, I'm going to be the Zweleka that you want. She went on, bought clothes that look exactly the same as Zweleka's clothes. Where a weave that looks like Zweleka, you would swear that they are twins, which was so fun to watch. So ladies and gentlemen, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.